Hello everyone, Andrea here, and thank you for joining me for day 11 of my 60-day video challenge, Throw Down for the Throne. I wanted to come real quick today and put something out there that, like, you may not think has anything to do with this preparation, but it's all about the mindset. So one of the things that I've noticed in preparation for this next pageant is that I need to be in a certain mindset, and one of the things that helps me is music. I really get either really excited or hype about something. If a hype song is playing, I get really mellow and calm and can think. If a real mellow, calm, smooth song is playing, I put that out there to suggest to you and encourage you to maybe kind of make certain playlists for certain things that you're doing or preparing for, because music is a wonderful influencer and music has a lot of power. Some of my favorite songs span across genres. So I have like a favorite songs playlist, and it's really weird because some songs are really slow and some songs are really fast. Some are country, some are hip hop, some are gospel. Like it's all mixed in there. But I do also have certain playlists for certain things. So I have like a whole worship playlist, a whole praise playlist, a whole smooth jazz playlist that, you know, are really great songs for certain moods that I'm in, or when I want to listen to something that's going to help me to have a certain mindset. So I encourage you to make those lists today. Choose songs. Make sure that the music that you're putting in you at certain times is appropriate for what you're going through at that time. It's just, music has a lot of power. And so if you like utilize that power in the right way, you can actually motivate yourself to accomplish what you're doing a little bit better, you know, with the right attitude, if that makes any sense. So I hope that encourages you. Get out there, tag me in your playlist, comment about the playlist that you're using. I am in motivation power mode, so I kind of like have a song list that I keep playing that's really motivational, inspiration. You go girl, you got it, you know, that type of stuff. So list your favorite songs below and stay tuned for more Throwdown for the Throne. I'll see you tomorrow.